all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to fill in the basic shapes. You can also fill with your own pattern. I am going to fill with the repeating pattern. You can also try different types of shape fillings with the solid colors, patterns, textures, with the shadings and more. This really enhances the visual impact, improves balance, increases concentration, simplifies complex designs, cultivates creative potential. Simply, it enhancing one's creative and imaginative abilities in different ways. This makes indispensable techniques in both traditional and digital art. Let me know in the comments below if you would like more designs. I would be happy to create and share them. And that's it for now. Do practice regularly and happy drawing. See you on next video. Until it's bye from NK's Art World.